We're going to make easy mac and cheese in a Pampered Chef's microwave pasta cooker. Just dump the noodles in there, add about 3/4 of a cup of water, put the lid back on, and now we're just gonna put it in the microwave for 6 minutes. Once it's done, lift the lid, stir the pasta up a little bit, add your cheese, the whole packet, and a little bit of milk. And if you want, feel free to add some butter. Season it up the way you want it. Keep stirring, break all the noodles up, and voila, mac and cheese is done.